We had the engine out, had bad head gaskets or leaking. Took the engine out, got a new clutch, flywheel, reset the cams, cam timing, overhauled the carburetors, new ignition system, rebuilt the differential, sealing the differential, and did some wiring repairs. So we've been on it for almost a year, as a matter of fact, mainly because it takes so long to get parts from Italy. It's running now, and I'm just, our next project is to put the body panels back on. I'll see if I can get in it.
Not the easiest thing to get in.
No, especially when it's on the lift. That's it. Wow. It's got 6 Webers, so Webers are a little cold-blooded. Takes a while to get the carburetors warm enough to make the car idle. But other than that, it's good. But it's an 83 car, so not modern technology. But they didn't plan on old guys working on it.